2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom continues to set the benchmark in the ultra-luxury sedan segment with updates that are both meaningful and masterfully restrained. Its evolution respects the essence of what a Phantom should be, an icon of quiet, strength, and supreme elegance. Asterisk, at nearly 6 meters long, the presence of the Phantom is undeniable. Rolls-Royce has introduced new wheel designs, including polished 22-inch disc-style alloys that nod to heritage models, while the Spirit of Ecstasy ornament has been reshaped ever so slightly for aerodynamic refinement. Optional illuminated grille vanes now offer a glow that matches the ambient lighting themes of the car. Asterisk, a new silent shadow edition for 2026 takes Bespoke even further with the unique paint that changes tone depending on lighting conditions. This version also includes ultra-soft lambswool carpets, silk-lined door inserts, and even gemstone inlays in the dashboard fascia. Asterisk, opening the rear-hinged coach doors reveals a space unlike anything in the automotive world. The 2026 model allows clients to choose between individual or lounge rear seating configurations. The footrests are now heated. The champagne cooler between the rear seats has been redesigned with separate temperature zones for different vintages. Even the umbrellas stored in the door panels are now infused with subtle fragrance dispensers that release your chosen scent upon opening. Asterisk, acoustic glass. Over 130 kilograms of sound-deadening materials and specially developed foam-filled tires all work together to make the Phantom the quietest car on Earth. The level of isolation is so high that engineers had to slightly reintroduce sound to prevent the experience from feeling disorienting. Asterisk, beneath the classic elegance lies a high foundation. The chassis is still the all-aluminum architecture of luxury platform, which ensures a ride that feels almost detached from the road. The adaptive air suspension now works in real time with GPS and forward cameras to adjust before encountering imperfections in the road. This isn't suspension, it's foresight. Asterisk, safety features are upgraded as well. The new Phantom gets Rolls-Royce's most advanced driver assistance package yet, including adaptive cruise with AI-based lane centering, 360th night vision, pedestrian anticipation, and even valet driver mode that lets the car self-park in tight urban areas. Asterisk, Rolls-Royce Bespoke division reports that 92% of Phantom owners request personalized designs. The 2026 model offers more than ever hand-painted coach limes, embroidered headrests with family crests, or even a dashboard gallery that can house anything from porcelain art to a custom oil painting, all under protective glass. Asterisk, for those who demand the ultimate, the Phantom Extended variant adds even more legroom and features a rear privacy suite with electrochromic glass divider, upgraded audio insulation, and full digital controls for environment, media, and privacy. Asterisk, this isn't just the next Phantom. It's an experience tailored to the individual, shaped by legacy, and executed with obsessive attention to detail. Rolls-Royce doesn't simply build cars, it curates legacies. The 2026 Phantom ensures yours arrives in silence, with unmatched grace.